What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making football but with guns in Roblox. So I'm not really sure how this is going to go, and I'm not sure how football with guns is even going to work, but I'm going to try to make this. So let's get started. I don't really know how to actually start this. I think I'll just make like a football field. So I'm going to go ahead and get modeling. I can just add a part, scale it up. I'll make it pretty big. Okay, this should be good now. We have a pretty big football field. So for comparison, this is a player and this is the football field. I'm gonna use this image I found on Google for the reference to add like these little lines. So we're actually making American football, not what I would call soccer. But yeah, we're making American football. So I'm gonna add these like little details now. So we should have 20 of these lines and then 2 end zones. Just add a part. I'll make the end zones first. So I need to do a little bit of math. So if each one of these, we can count the lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So if we have 23 lines, we can actually take out 2 of those, so just 21. Okay, so now the markers are made, except I'm kind of like one set off, so it's kind of like glitching. So instead of like redoing it, I'm just gonna move it back. Perfect. Okay, so now we're a little bit closer to the football field being done. Now I'm gonna make the numbers for the markers, so let me just use 3D Tech. Okay, so now we have the numbers for it, and I just have to put them on the field. Okay, now the field's actually looking really good. We have the markers, we have the lines. It's honestly not a bad size either. I do need to add these like little middle lines to show like a quarter of a yard and stuff, so let me do that. Okay, there we go. Now the field is finished and it looks really good, I think. I think I matched it perfectly to the reference right here. Now the size itself is not the best, but honestly, I don't think it's that bad. I could move these over if I want to, and yeah, it's not that bad. I really like it. So now we can get to the actual gameplay and start adding like guns and stuff. So yeah, this is gonna be really fun. I am gonna add like a border around this though. I could just add like a bounding box. So now if I check out the game, I'm kind of glitching out. That's because I forgot to anchor the border, so let me fix that. There we go. So now that we're in the game, we can actually run around the field and stuff, and honestly, it's a good size. I kind of like it. So yeah, for the gameplay, I kind of have to draw this out. I mean, it's football with guns. It can't be that hard. This is probably the most American sport there is. We have 2 teams, okay? We abide by regular football rules, but instead of tackling, we incorporate guns, and instead of like blocking people, you just use riot shields. So I'm gonna try to add this. Alright, so the map's done, and I imported some of my guns that I've already made before. So we have this revolver, and I actually made this in my last video, but yeah, now we can like aim with viewport arms and we can like shoot. So we can like kill the dummy and stuff. So I'm thinking we add like different weapons for each like team. And then you can like pick classes. So like depending on which role you have. So like the quarterback, he would probably have like a riot shield maybe. But it would be cool to like run with a pistol as a quarterback and be like, get away. And, like catch the ball and stuff and run. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna add some guns for now and we're gonna see how this works. Okay, so now we have an SMG and a revolver. So if I use this SMG, we could just gun down this rig. And we can use a revolver. And we can reload it. And I think I'm just going to use these basic guns for now. But now I can actually implement like the entire game. So let me do that. But first, if you don't quite understand American football, let me try to explain it to you in Roblox terms. So pretty much we have the person who throws the ball, which is called a quarterback. We have another person called the receiver who catches the ball. So basically, this receiver runs out on the field, and the quarterback throws him the ball. And if this guy catches the ball, he keeps running and tries to get to the end zone and score points. If he successfully gets all the way over here to the end zone with the ball in his hand, that's a touchdown. However, it's not that simple. If the quarterback throws the ball to him over here, and he's not open and he can't grab the ball, then this guy right here on the enemy team can jump or just try to get the ball. And if he gets it, that's an interception. And when an interception happens, this guy runs and goes to their end zone to score points. And they steal the ball. And also, we have these guys right here in the middle. And they're trying to get past these guys and attack the quarterback and if they tackle him, their turn's over. So in football, there's actually 4 turns. So you have 4 turns to score 10 yards. So you see these markers right here and it says 10. Well, pretty much they have to take the ball and travel 10 yards with it, and that's called a first down. That means that the turns reset and they can keep going. But if they lose all 4 of their turns, then the ball goes over to them and they switch teams. But in the simplest turns possible, you're trying to get this ball into their end zone, and they're trying to stop you from doing that. So now we just have to make this in our game. Okay, so first things first, I want to make the ball throwing system. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this into a tool that you can throw. So I should start off making an animation for it where you just throw the ball. Okay, so now using FastCast, I was able to make the football throwing system. So we can just look in any direction and we can throw the football. Now we aren't getting rid of the football, but I'm going to add that in a sec. This is just for testing. So yeah, now we can throw the football and it even spins, which is really cool. Okay, so just like that, I've added one more gun. We have the AR, we have the SMG, and we have the revolver. And the AR, it's pretty cool. It's basically the same as the SMG though. And then over here we have this rig and we have a football. So now when we pick up the football, we can equip it and we can like throw it and stuff. And as you can see, it will throw the football and it lands over there. So the football system is actually done already. I just have to implement the rounds and like how we handle the football. Unfortunately though, I'm gonna have to end the devlog here. So make sure to subscribe and join my Discord server so you can see when I post my next video. Peace out.